going on, guys? This is Working Dad channel again, and today we're going to be working on an interesting project. Me and my wife decided we were going to take the kitchen that was upstairs and move it downstairs, and we did that, and it took quite a while. But now we're left with the old kitchen, which is here. If you can see it, I'm doing some drywall. And we're going to convert this into a bedroom. What you guys will notice right here, we have two water lines where the old kitchen sink was. And I put these valves in while I was working on the rest of the room so that no water would be squirting out and we could use water in the rest of the house. But this particular area gets really cold in the winter, especially if it's windy. And these lines have actually frozen in the past, right underneath here in the floor. You can even feel a little draft here because the actual house soffits right over here where the pipes come down and into the floor. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to eliminate this pipe. And that way we don't need the pipes in the walls anymore. And we don't have water just sitting in empty pipes, potentially becoming frozen and bursting. Or just sitting there potentially and not getting used regularly. We could get some stale water in those pipes. So I've decided I'm going to eliminate the pipes almost really within close proximity to where these lines come into this room. And they actually come in through the bathroom, which is that wall right there. The bathroom's on the other side of that wall. So what I did is I drilled 2 holes in the floor here, you can see, and I put my little camera in there, and I found out that there's a 90-degree angle that takes those 2 pipes in the wall and shoots them all the way over here. And as you can see, those pipes are right in there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll turn the light on for you. Those pipes are right in there. So there's the 2 pipes, and you can see they go through the joist there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them right here, each one of them, and we're going to use this sharkbite copper capping. Kind of cool. You just cut the pipe and then just push it on. It's like a press fitting. And that should stop those 2 pipes from water coming into them. And then I can get moving on the rest of the drywall on that wall. Because right now I can't even drywall the wall because these pipes are sticking. Okay. I had to go do some other things, but we're back. We're going to go downstairs here. We're going to turn the water supply off first before we cut some pipes. Otherwise we'll have a big flood. So right here is my water line coming into the house. And what we're going to do is we're just going to turn the whole water line on. So we'll do that nice and slow. Okay, well, let's go check it. All right, you can see all the water's out. All right, let's go back upstairs here. Put a little. And we're gonna get a little towel. Let's see. Yep. So this is the actual water line that I'm going to be working on here, and you can see that there's, oh, am I getting the camera right? Yeah, you can see there's nothing coming out of it. Okay. So now we're going to walk over. We're going to get this line. Let me see if I can find my... Put you guys on pause while I find my pipe cutting tool. Hold on a second. Okay, so we got my pipe cutting tool. Simple little device here. You just put the pipe in here, clamp it in between this blade, and you spin it and spin it and spin it, and that pipe will get cut and pop off. What I also did here was, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I put a towel under there because this is drywall. This is my ceiling for downstairs, so I don't want that to get all wet. There might be a little bit of leakage. So we're going to open this tool up. I'm going to put it on this pipe. See, this is so simple, you can do it with one hand. Let's see if I'm spinning it right. Let me check here. Okay. Maybe you need two hands. Get this on. You can see that there. So we're going to tighten it, and we start spinning. Can you see it? I think we can see it. I don't know how to turn the light on in this thing. But you can see there's the light from my drill. And we just spin it, spin it, spin it around. See if I can get you a better angle. And you want to keep tightening that blade. You notice as you get through it, it starts getting looser, and you got to tighten that blade up. So you're cutting into that copper. Every couple turns, just keep tightening that blade. It's simple. All you got to do is just turn this clockwise. Yep. See, we get a little water popping out too. Then we put that towel down. And there we go. Oh, get a little water on my drywall. Don't want that. That can cause some mold. See, you wipe it all up. And so I bent that up just a little bit so we can access that pipe. You see right here, we're going to put that sharkbite on. I'm going to wipe it off, make sure it's good and clean. And we're only going to do one at a time, because if I don't do one of them right, I'm not going to do the other one. So it's good and clean, it's dry. So we'll go put this sharkbite on. Have it here. It's just a press and fit, and it stops the water. So let's give it a try. Just trying to check, make sure you all can see this. If my camera angle's not right, I'll review it, and then on the next one I'll get it right. So we're just gonna push that on there just like that. Alright. And we got the towel under here, just in case, something happens. But that's on there. And it's tight. You can see it. Give you a little bit more light. But yeah. We got some water still stuck in that pipe, so we're getting some leakage here. I want to get that towel down there just a little bit thicker. So I don't want water staying on my ceiling downstairs. So we'll get that towel in there a little bit thicker. Wait for some of that water to drain out of that pipe. I can also relieve some of the pressure on the other end of the pipe by opening that valve over there like we talked about earlier. Well, let's go turn the water back on and see if this shark bite actually holds like they say it does, or if I'm going to have to bust out the torch and solder this. Let's go check. Now normally I would do the torch and solder, but since it's a really tight area, there's drywall underneath it, there's wood joists right there, I don't want to start a fire. It would be better if I did it from under here in the ceiling, cut a big hole and then soldered it. But right now I'm just kind of being lazy and I just want to try this shark bite thing, so we'll give it a try. Let's turn the water back on. And here it turned back on. And we'll go check. Oh, it's on. Hot and cold. All right, let's go upstairs. Check our shark bite, make sure it's not leaking. Keep your fingers crossed. Yep, and there you have it. Pretty cool. No leaking. Okay guys, here's the second pipe. First one was all good. We got it all taken care of. And let's see if I can figure out how to turn that light on. Nope, that light's not going to go on. I did increase the clarity of it though. Here, maybe that'll help a little bit. It's not very clear. Let me wipe the screen off. I don't know if that helps or not. Well, at any rate, you can see what I'm doing here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut this pipe off too. And then I'll fast forward to this. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just spinning it and spinning it. So I'll fast forward until I get to the part where it's cut. Okay, we got it cut. You can take a look there and see. And go ahead and put that second shark bite on. Got it in my pocket here. Again, pretty cool device. Let's just push on. See. Pushes on there pretty good. Gotta give it a little bit of pressure, but otherwise it goes on pretty good. And we can see that those are both on there now. And we've effectively blocked off the cold and hot water to those wall lines that were there for the kitchen sink before. So, we did a pretty good job here. And that's it. Pretty simple job. Anybody can do it. Again, thanks for watching. This is the Working Dad channel. Make sure you subscribe and like, share it, and we'll see you again for the next project. Thanks. Bye.